Hi guys, so today I'm going to be reacting to Black Bee's Bastarz Make It Rain. Make it rain like money make it rain or what? Oh my god, I'm so excited. This is like their third music video. I obviously loved Conduct Zero, wasn't it? What it was? I love that one. That was my that's my favorite. And then I really liked the Beautiful Liar Girl. And then now this one, the Beautiful Liar Girl was very different than the Conduct Zero. Conduct Zero was so freaking upbeat, but the other one was like just like fun. You know what I mean? And this one, I'm pretty excited. I'm wondering what this one's gonna be. And it's rated 15. I love Black Beast so freaking much. And then this subgroup, I love this subgroup too. So without further ado, let's get to this. Here we go. Oh my god, is it gonna be upbeat? Oh my god, what's going on? Pio though. Does he have a mustache? Damn, Pio. He's in trash now? U-Kwon, what are you doing? Was it money? What? Yes, B-Bomb! That was cool. Oh my, that guy looks scary. Yes! They're talking about money. I was right. That gun, nice. Ho ho ho. U-Kwon. Ho. I love this. Pio is killing it. He looked like Top for a second. He kind of looks like Top. Yes, B-Bomb. They're so good at dancing. I want to see the choreo. Yes, make it rain. It's like a video game. Make it rain. Yes, B-Bomb. Break it down. Oh, they're all beats. Like, beat them up. Yes. This is so weird. Excuse me? U-Kwon though. Get it. Nice. It was kind of like like a superhero movie combined with like video games. I really loved this. It was like upbeat. I loved it. I love Block Beat's upbeat songs. I like their slow songs too, but oh my god, all their upbeat song makes me wanna like dance. It was I really like this. They were all beaten up, and then at first it looked like Pio had mustache, but I think it was like just blood that because he was hit. Why were they hit though? But they're talking about making rain. They were talking about money, and there was some like rain. It wasn't rain, but it was like thunderstorm. So they used both ways, I guess. But yes, I really like this. I saw Pio a lot throughout of it, and then B Bomb. I didn't see U-Kwon much. But I can't wait to watch this live because choreo. I know the choreo is gonna be amazing. This was upbeat. I loved it. Love this. I don't know if this is a single or if it's an album or something, but I'm definitely gonna check it out if it's an album. If not, I'm gonna definitely listen to this more and check out the English subtitles too. And like Blackbee, Bastards, they like have weird stuff. Like they kind of go with their main group Block B, because Block B has like these kind of music videos, you know what I mean? So they didn't do completely something completely different than Block B, but they're just like theirs is just like really weird. And at first like the Conduct Zero, that was like there was like blood and like they were like what was it there were some animals slaughtered or something. um Vampires, there were vampires, something like that. And this was like they were like it was like a trash, but it wasn't trash. It was like there was money in it. They were like beaten up. And like I guess I understand why it was rated 15. Anyways, I really enjoyed this. So let me know in the comments down below what you guys thought. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.